Recently, there's been a lot of discussion on Binance selling vast amounts of coins. People are saying they lost confidence in the market. They know the market is going down, and that's why they're selling. Now, they did offload a whole bunch of their coins. And of course, we know the market dumped on February 3rd, a little bit more than a week ago, to 92,000. It then climbed back up to 98,000 maybe 2 days ago before swapping to 95,000 yesterday and then coming back up to about $98,000 today. Some people are saying the Binance dumping over the last week is why we haven't really gone higher. I personally don't believe that. And Binance themselves have said they're just reshuffling funds. I don't know if I really believe they're reshuffling funds because their wallet and their own reserves, not their customers' money, but their own reserves, which could actually be an indication of them like somehow shuffling customers' money as well. We don't really know. But their own reserves, the stuff they own, Bitcoin went down by 94.1%. Ethereum went down by 99%. Solana went down by 99%. And of course, BNB went down by 16.6%. USDT went down by 99.9%. However, the USDT thing can be explained because Mika basically nuked USDT in Europe. And since Binance.com doesn't actually operate in the United States, Europe is one of their primary markets. That can easily be explained by that. BNB, their reserves didn't really go down by much, and I think they're actually buying them back. Thus, the BNB doing very, very well over the last few days. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, much harder to explain, but they could be diverting their own funds to shuffle around their customer funds into different wallets. That's always an explanation. But even if they are losing confidence in the market, it does not necessarily mean the bull run is over. Although Binance is a big market maker, they are not the end-all, be-all. And maybe they lost some wisdom since CZ's not really technically allowed to fool in Binance's business anymore. But we know that despite Binance selling, we know that Goldman Sachs, at least on Ethereum, they have 20x their Ethereum purchases. So that is one big, not really institutional investor dumping, and then another big institutional investor buying. Maybe they have different goals, but just because one large market maker is selling does not mean the entire industry is going to collapse, and people should not overreact to it. Plus, you have to remember around February 5th, that's when all those crazy tariff rumors or tariff proclamations by Trump actually started. And that, I believe, was the real trigger for the market going downwards. Yes, it did have impact on the stock market as well, but for a risk-on market like crypto, it will have even more impact than it does on the stock market because the crypto market is considered scarier or more risky than the stock market in most circumstances. Therefore, moves like that will actually impact crypto as a percentage more than it impacts stocks, especially for the meme and crap coins, because they have no solid foundation to actually rely on. So no, I do not believe Binance selling over 90% of their stash indicates that we're necessarily having a bull run or we're necessarily going to a bear market. I'm not fully confident in the bull market right now, but I still believe that we will have another leg up in a couple of months. Although Jerome Powell's conference today did not leave me that hopeful, which is why I don't think we'll really pump in the next 2 or 3 months. But when you're talking about 6 months or more out, I can definitely see us acting like 2017 and pumping towards the end of the year. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.